Welcome back, guys. I'm working on a 2020 Toyota Tundra. I will show you guys how to change the air filter, cabin air filter. It's inside the glove box here. So there's gonna be a tab here. It says slide up and remove. So you just slide it up like that. It gets a little stuck, but you can get it out. Just like this. Then there's another cover right here. 2 tabs. Squeeze and pull. There's your filter. Grab it like that, okay? Airflow, look at the airflow, okay? Goes down. This is the new filter right here. You guys can see the arrows. I'm gonna take it out of the bag, but it goes like this. In here, I'm gonna take it out of the bag. It's for demonstration purpose only. Then you put your cover back on, the 2 tabs, 1, 2, and then put the L shape cover. This is the L shape. I call it L shape because it's like shape of an L. This side goes in first. The little L part goes here. And then once you get it up in here, then you push it down. It'll lock. But yes, that's how you change your cabin air filter on your 2020 Toyota Tundra.